This channel teaches the coolest digital skills.
Yeah, and they show us how to make money online. Hello, lovely viewer.
In this video, I'm going to be showing you how I was able to create that animation with free tools in just minutes. And it's something that you can do. But before then, let me quickly show you a channel that creates a similar video and how much they make every single month. This will blow your mind, trust me. So if you come over here, you can see this channel, super simple songs, and all they do is post animated videos. Now, this is where it gets interesting. A lot of people feel that Kids channel doesn't make any money, but I'm going to shock you right now. So if you come over to Social Blade and then you come over to the estimated monthly earning, you can see that this channel makes over $1.8 million every single month. This is every month. You can see estimated monthly earnings. And as a YouTuber that has over 13 channels, I can tell you for fact that this channel earns more than $1.8 million, because most times the monthly earning is usually higher than whatever that you're seeing here. Now, I'm not saying that you're going to be making over $1.8 million every single month once you start creating animated videos and uploading on YouTube. It's going to take a lot of years for you to achieve that. But trust me, even if you make 0.5%, that is over $9,000 every single month. Now, what are you waiting for? And not just that, I'm going to quickly show you how else you're going to be making money from this. Let's go over to Fiverr. So let's quickly look at this one right now. Let's open this one to check how much this seller has made. So here you can see that this seller charges $140 for a 1 minute video. And if we go over to standard, he's charging $190 for a 60-second video for just 2 characters. Just the same thing that I created, that I showed you, he's charging $190 for it. And if you go over to premium, premium is $570 for 240 seconds and 5 characters. And as you can see, he has 5 orders in queue. This simply means that this is a hot trending skill that if you learn, you're going to use it to make a lot of money, either on YouTube, on Facebook, on Upwork, or any of those platforms. Now, let's quickly calculate how much this guy has made by creating animated videos. Now, you can see here that this guy has delivered 517 jobs. So let's quickly go ahead and calculate this and see how much he has made. So all we have to do, we are going to work with the basic plan, which is $140 for 60 seconds video and 1 character, assuming that everybody that bought this bought just 1 character. But you can see right here, this sample that he has here is 2 characters, so there's possibility that a lot of people bought 2 characters because it makes more sense, right? So but let's just be on the minimal side and calculate with $140. So we're going to pop up our calculator and we're going to do 517 multiplied by $140, okay? $140 and $72,380. That is how much this guy has made just by creating animated videos for people. The same type of video I'm going to be teaching you how to create in this video. So if this is something that you're interested in, please come closer and let's dive in. So to get started, we're going to be using ChatGPT to generate our script. So if you come over to ChatGPT, you're going to simply put in your prompt, whatever prompt, depending on the type of animation that you want to do. But here you can see that I'm giving it instruction to write a 20 seconds. Now you can do 1 minute, 5 minutes, 30 minutes, depending on what you want and what you want to achieve. So you can just simply go ahead and tell it to write a 20-second screenplay for kids, asking viewers to please like this video and share it with their friends so they can learn this cool way to make money online.
2 seconds later.
So now it has given us that 20 seconds animation. I'm not even sure it's up to 20 seconds. So this is how you can get ChatGPT to just write something very short for you. So the second step is to go over to 11 Labs and generate our audio. So you go over to 11labs.io, and then the next thing you're going to do is to sign up if you don't have an account. But I have an account, so I'm just going to go ahead and log in. So now that we're in 11 Labs, the next thing we're going to do is click on voices, and then here you can see add generative or cloned voice. You're going to click this plus sign and you're going to see voice design, instant voice cloning, voice library, professional voice cloning. We're just going to go ahead and click on voice design. So here you are going to have this, and the next thing we're going to do is to come over to ChatGPT and copy our script. Note that you're not going to copy all the script, you're just going to copy it character by character so that the voices will be different, right? So we are going to copy number 1 like so, okay, kid 1, and come over here and paste it. We're just going to wipe this one out and paste it here, and we're going to go ahead and copy number 3 as well. Okay, Don't worry, we're just going to sort this out during editing. We're going to copy number 3 and we're going to come over to 11 Labs and paste it as well. And we are also going to come back to ChatGPT and copy number 5 as well, and copy it, and then come over to 11 Labs and paste it like so. So now we have it here, and we're just going to go over to gender. You're going to select female and you're going to select young, and you can just change the accent to whatever you want. So for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm just going to go ahead and choose British. But before then, let me wear my headphones so I'll be able to hear the voiceover and see how it sounds. For the accent strength, you can play around with this. Sometimes it's not usually 100% accurate. It doesn't sound like a kid so much. So all you have to do is just play around this accent strength to achieve your desired result. So we're going to just take it to the end and click on generate. Let's see how it sounds.
Hey guys, check out this cool way to make money online.
Amazing. It sounds amazing. So here I'm just going to go ahead and click on download to download it to my device like so. And I'm going to go ahead and do the same thing. Click on the plus sign, click on voice design, and I'm going to change the female to male. For the age, you leave it at young because it's for kids channel, right? And then for accent, we're going to choose American, or let's go ahead and choose African. Okay, so here we have the accent, and let's take this up since we got a good result for 200%. So we're going to come over to ChatGPT and we're going to copy that of key 2 like so. Yes, the responses, we're going to copy it like so, and come over here, wipe this out, paste this here, and we're going to come back to ChatGPT again and copy this one here and put it here. If you want to do something like, please like this video, all you have to do is to just increase the E or whatever letter that ends the word. So now we have this. We're just going to go ahead and generate to see how it sounds.
2 seconds later.
Yeah, it's super fun and easy. Please like this video and share it with your friends. Thank you so much for watching.
You can see how that worked out, right? You can see the please, the stress in the please makes it very realistic and more engaging, right? So we're just going to go ahead and click on download to download this to our device like we did the previous one. And that's it all for the audio generation. So the next thing we're going to do is to create the characters, and it's very simple to do. And to do that, we're going to come over to a new tab and simply type in animate from audio, and then you click on the first link you can see here, and now you're here. You can see free to use, no credit card required. So we're going to go ahead and click on start now. So now that it has opened, the first thing we're going to do is to click on size to be able to select the size that we're going to be working with. So we're going to click on this drop down menu and we're going to select YouTube because it's 16:9, that is landscape, but you can go ahead and select any one that you want. If you want to do it for short reels, you can go ahead and select that. But for the purpose of this tutorial, we're just going to work with landscape, and then we're going to come back to background. So let's go ahead and choose this random background, but there are so many backgrounds you can choose from, or you can even go ahead and upload yours if you have your own background, or if you want to generate yours from AI, you can go ahead and upload yours here, or you can even choose a particular color for your animation. We're going to come back to this much later, but let's create our first character. So we're going to click on character and you're going to choose whatever it is that you want here. So here there are so many characters. If you want animals, pets, humans, any type of character that you want, it's over here. So you're just going to take your time and select the type of character that you want. So for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm just going to go ahead and select a random character for this tutorial. Let's go ahead and select easy like so. So I'm just going to come over here and place easy so we can have enough space to put our second character here. And you can see easy is looking at the second character, so it makes more sense, right? So the next thing you're going to do is to upload your audio, the audio that we created from 11 Labs. So we're going to click on browse and you go over to wherever you downloaded it to and click on audio, then give it a little time to process.
A few moments later.
All right, so now you can see that it's done. Let's go ahead and play it back and see how it sounds.
Check out this cool way to make money online.
All right, so now we have our animation. The next thing we're going to do is to go ahead and download this to our device. So here we're just going to go ahead and save this, and you can see that our download is completed. And now we're going to do the second one, and this is where you have to be technical. Okay, so we just have to go back to create our second character, and here we have this. The first thing you need to do so that you don't make any mistakes is come over to background and come over to custom color and choose custom, click on custom, and then click on green. Okay, click on green and then select this green. Okay, select this color of green. I'm going to show you what you're going to do with it much later. It's very important that you do this step. If you miss it, you're going to mess up the entire design. So now that we have this, the next thing I'm going to do is to come over to character and choose our character. So we're just going to go ahead and choose a random character for the purpose of this tutorial. So I'm just going to go ahead and choose this character. Okay, I'm just going to go ahead and put it in the center. You can put it anywhere, it doesn't matter. I'm going to show you how to merge everything together. So now it's looking at the other person, the other character that was here. You can see, right? So the next thing we're going to do is to upload the audio that we downloaded from 11 Labs. So we're going to click on browse and we're going to select the second audio, which is this one, and give it time to process.
A few moments later.
All right, so now it has finished animating. So let's go ahead and play it back and see how it sounds.
Super fun and easy. Please like this video and share it with your friends. Thank you so much for watching.
Amazing, right? So we're going to go ahead and download it to our device. Yeah, you click on save and voila, it has downloaded to our device. And let's move over to the last part, that is piecing them together. And we're going to be using any editing platform you want to use. Totally works. You can use CapCut, you can use Adobe Premiere Pro, but for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm just going to go ahead and use Adobe Premiere Pro. So now that I've opened my Premiere Pro, the next thing I'm going to do is to drag the files to my timeline, and I'm just going to go ahead and open the download folder, and I'm just going to drag this to Premiere Pro like so. And now that we have it, we're just going to go ahead and click the first one to see, yes, this is the first one. So we're just going to paste it here. So now that we have it here, let's also bring in the second animation. That's the second character. All right, so now that we have the two characters, this is where you pay the utmost attention. Please make sure nothing distracts you at this point because it gets technical here, because if you miss it, you're going to miss out big time and it's not going to work out for you. So now what I'm going to do is to just cut out a tiny part, just cut out a tiny part, like the beginning part like this. We're going to cut it off like this. We're still going to add it, but we need this for something, and I'm going to show you what it is. Just keep watching. So I'm going to copy this part that I cut out. I'm going to cut it and I'm going to paste it here, Control V. So now that we have that, we're going to come over to this second character and we're going to remove this green screen and make it transparent so that we can be able to put it on this background. You can do this with any editing software, whether it's CapCut. You can always remove the green screen background. So to remove this background, what we're going to do is to come over here and click on Effects, and we're going to search for Ultra, okay, Ultra key, and we're going to drag this Ultra key and drop it here. Okay, now that we have dropped it, we're going to click on Effect Control, scroll down, select the speaker tool, and we're going to remove this green screen. Okay, so we're going to drag it like so and put it on top of this particular video, and we can see it like so. You can see it's looking a little bit transparent. You can see that the shirt, everything is transparent. So we're just going to scroll down and come over to matte generation, click on transparency, and we're going to drag this down till we get a perfect color. Okay, so here it's perfect, it's looking perfect already. So now we have this perfectly. We're going to drag this out again. Okay, we're going to drag it out, and then the next thing we're going to do is come back to this video and just do the same thing that we did for this one. We cut out a little part, so we're going to do the same thing for this one. So we're going to just go ahead and cut out this part. Okay, cut out this part like so, and we're going to drag it to this point. Okay, we're going to drag it to this point. I'm going to show you what to do with them much later. And then the next thing we're going to do is to come over to this one, and then we're going to make it slow. Okay, so we're going to right click on it and we're going to click on speed and duration. So we're going to increase the duration whereby making it slow. So if you're using another editing platform, you can just slow it down so that it's very, very slow. So once it's very slow, is going to elongate the video itself. Okay, this is so that while the other person is talking, this one is making tiny movement and not just static, just to put a little more life to the animation. I hope I haven't lost you. If I have lost you, please let me know in the comment section, and I'm going to explain it much better by text or however. So here we're going to increase the duration. So let's increase it to maybe 7, and then reverse the speed. We're going to reverse the speed so that it plays the other way around. So we're going to click OK. All right, so now that we have this, we're going to do the same thing for the second character, and we'll just right click and click on speed and duration, click on reverse, increase this to somewhere around 7. All right, so now that we have this, we're going to go ahead and right click and click on unlink, and then delete this audio because we don't need it. We're going to do the same thing for this one, on link, and delete this audio. So now we have character 1 and character 2. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to use it. So now that we have this, we're just going to drag this to here, so that while the first character is talking, this one is just making movements, you know, just there looking. So here we have this like so. I believe by now you understand why we did that. So instead of having just a static picture, you have something that is moving. Okay, so you can see it, right? So you can see that the second character is moving. Now that we have this, let's go ahead and play it and know where to cut it from, and then join the second character.
Hey guys, check out this cool way to make money online.
All right, so we're going to cut off everything from here like so, and we're going to take everything back. Okay, we're going to take everything back. Okay, take it back like so. All right, so we're just going to go ahead and cut this one out like so, and we're going to drag it to this point. Okay, so now you can see there's no background, and then we can't use that of this one, you know, while it's talking, because it's going to be talking, the mouth will be moving, and we don't want that. So we're going to put that one that we cut out initially, which is this one. We're going to drag it to this point like so. So here we have this, you have that tiny little movement. Okay, so we're just going to cut this part out. Okay, we don't need this part, and here you have it.
Yeah, it's super fun and easy.
All right, so you can see that tiny bit of movement to show that yes, the person is responding to whatever the second character is saying or whatever the first character is saying. So in order not to waste your time, I'm just going to go ahead and complete editing and show you the final result. All right, so now I'm done. Let's go ahead and replay it and see how it looks.
Hey guys, check out this cool way to make money online.
Yeah, it's super fun and easy.
But to learn more, we need your help,
Please like this video and share it with your friends
so they can join our online money adventure too.
Thank you so much for watching.
Now, how cool is this? Now you can see how easy it is to create cartoon animation and use it to make money for yourself. You can either put it on YouTube and make money from YouTube, or you can create it for people and make money with it. I have 14 Fiverr alternative. I'm going to be leaving it in the description so that you can go ahead and watch it after watching this video. But then there's another way you can create animation for free, and I'm going to be leaving it here. Just go ahead and click here, watch it, and thank me later. See you on the other side. Ciao.